History of Triumph Motorcycles. The birth of a British icon. Triumph Motorcycles was originally founded as the Triumph Engineering Company Limited by Siegfried Bettmann, a German immigrant in Coventry, England in 1885. Initially a bicycle company, it produced its first motorcycle in 1902 using a Belgian Minerva engine. By the 1910s, Triumph was making its own engines and quickly gained a reputation for reliability and quality. During World War I, Triumph became a key supplier to the British military, producing over 30,000 motorcycles for the war effort, notably the Model H, often called the Trusty Triumph. After World War II, Triumph re-emerged stronger than ever. In 1937, designer Edward Turner developed the Triumph Speed Twin, a 500cc parallel twin engine bike that became the blueprint for many British motorcycles for decades. This design was refined and used in numerous legendary models. In the 1950s and 60s, Triumph bikes, such as the Bonneville T120, became cultural icons. They were known for their performance, sleek design, and racing success. Triumphs were ridden by celebrities like Steve McQueen, Marlon Brando in The Wild One, and James Dean, solidifying their place in pop culture. By the 1970s, Triumph struggled to compete with the rising tide of Japanese manufacturers like Honda, Yamaha, and Kawasaki, who offered more modern, reliable, and affordable bikes. Despite efforts to modernize, such as the Trident triple-cylinder model, Triumph couldn't keep up. A worker cooperative kept the brand alive briefly as Triumph Motorcycles, Meriden Ltd. But by the early 1980s, Triumph had effectively collapsed. 1983, British businessman John Bloor bought the Triumph name and quietly began rebuilding the company. By 1990, Triumph had returned with a new factory in Hinkley, Leicestershire, and a range of modern motorcycles featuring advanced engineering and fresh styling. This new Triumph quickly gained credibility with models like the Speed Triple, Daytona, and Tiger. The modern Bonneville, launched in 2001, paid homage to the classic model but with contemporary tech, attracting both nostalgic riders and new fans. Today, Triumph is one of the most respected motorcycle brands globally, known for combining British heritage with modern engineering. Its current lineup includes Bose, modern classics, Bonneville, Thruxton, Scrambler, adventure bikes, Tiger 900, Tiger 1200, Roadsters, Trident 660, Speed Triple 1200 RS, Cruisers, Rocket 3 Speedmaster, sports models, Daytona Moto2 765 Limited Edition. Triumph is also the exclusive engine supplier for the Moto2 World Championship since 2019 and continues to expand globally. Triumph's story is one of innovation, struggle, and resurgence. From military motorcycles to movie stardom, and from near collapse to global success, Triumph remains a symbol of British engineering and motorcycling passion.